Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Now we'll discuss what our algorithms are. By definition, algorithm stands for a set of well-defined steps taken to solve any given problem in a finite amount of time. I'll repeat. Algorithm is a set of finite steps taken to solve a given problem in finite amount of time. In simple words, you can say algorithm is simply the steps taken to solve any given problem. So here we are learning not how to solve the problem, but how to mention the steps to solve any given problem. Now it is somewhat like you are teaching your friend or you are telling your friend what steps should be taken to solve a given mathematical problem, or maybe given physics problem, given chemistry problem, and so on. Let's take a simple example that problem is to find out area and perimeter of a rectangle. Now you want to tell your friend the steps, that is algorithm, to solve this problem. Now what you'll tell your friend is somewhat like this. We'll just write steps in English like words. The first step would be, you'll tell your friend is, from a given problem, read the values of length and breadth. Now for that we'll write some names, let's say L and B, assume that L and B. Then second step will be now calculate the area of a rectangle. Assuming he doesn't know the formula, you have to mention him, okay, area of rectangle is given by L into B. Now you tell friend that now calculate the perimeter of a rectangle, and that is given by 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into length plus breadth. So it will be 2 into length plus breadth. And then you will tell your friend that, okay, now write your answers. Write the answers. What is A is, that is what value you got for A, and what value you got from B from the above calculations. So now here you can see there is no value mentioned over here as what we are really evaluating. There is no area, there is no perimeter, there is no length and breadth. We just mentioned the 4 steps, that is from the given problem, read length and breadth, then calculate area as L into B, then calculate perimeter as twice L plus B, and then you mention the last step as write the answer as what you got A, what you got B. So that is how we write the steps to solve any given problem. Now when you are writing algorithm, we have to write steps in some proper form. For example, to read the values or to get the values, we mention a step as read or input. And what to read, that we write in the form of some name like L or B or maybe age, it can be name, it can be email ID, etc. To output the value, we mention either write or mention output. To do any kind of calculation, we just mention the formula as we mentioned over here, like for example A equal to L into B or P equal to 2 times L into B. So we mention some expressions. These kind of statements are called as, or this kind of instruction is called as expression. And we need to also mention the start of the algorithm by writing start command or start instruction, and to indicate end of the algorithm we write stop command. So algorithm is set of steps, and now we will be learning how to mention different set of steps to solve different kind of problems. It totally depends on your common sense and basic knowledge of mathematics and other entities, and you have to just write the steps in proper form. That is algorithm. Thank you.